Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about Hyundai Alcazar car. Price. It is now priced from 16.75 rupees lakh to 21.25 rupees lakh. Variants. Hyundai's 3-row SUV can be had in 8 trims: Prestige Executive, Prestige, O, Platinum, Platinum, O, Signature, Signature, Signature Dual Tone and Signature, O, Dual Tone. Seating capacity. The Alcazar comes in both 6- and 7-seater layouts. Engine and transmission. Hyundai has updated its powertrain options and the Alcazar now comes with a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine paired with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT dual-clutch automatic, instead of the 2-liter petrol unit, and a 1.5-liter diesel engine paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. These engines now come with idle engine start/stop function. It gets 3 drive modes: Eco, City and Sport, and as many traction modes: snow, sand and mud. Features. Its list of features comprises a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch touchscreen system, auto climate control, wireless phone charging and cruise control. Other features include ventilated front seats and a voice-controlled panoramic sunroof. Safety. Standard safety equipment of the Alcazar comprises 6 airbags, vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, electronic stability control, all-wheel disc brakes and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Passenger safety is also ensured by tire pressure monitoring system, rear parking camera and ABS with EBD. Rivals. Hyundai Alcazar locks horns with the MG Hector Plus, Tata Safari and Mahindra XUV 700. 2023 Hyundai Alcazar. The first spy photos of the facelift Alcazar have emerged online. Specification of Hyundai Alcazar. Array mileage 18.1 km per liter. City mileage 16.0 km per liter. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 1,493 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 113.42 bhp at 4,000 rpm. Max torque 250 Nm at 1500-2750 rpm. Seating capacity 6. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 50 liters. Body type SUV. Service cost, average of 5 years, Rs.4781. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.